Welcome to TribeTopper. We have the Algebra series going on and this is an equation. Solve the following inequation and graph the solution set. So we solve it like this. First step would be open the bracket on the left side. So we get 5x plus 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times minus x is minus 2x is less than 8 minus x. So we have 5x minus 2x gives us 3x plus 6 is less than 8 minus x. So we'll subtract 6 on both sides. So we have to write subtracting 6 on both sides. We get 3x plus 6 minus 6. 6 goes away. 8 minus 6 would be 2 minus x. And now we write adding x on both sides. So we get 4x is less than 2. Now we'll write divide by 4 on both sides. And so we have x is less than 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. And how do we plot the solution? X is less than half. That means on the number line, you'll mark here 0, 1, 2, and so on. On the left hand side, you have minus 1, minus 2, and so on. And our x is less than half means somewhere here, the middle of this point. This is half and it is less than half, so not less than equal to, so half is not included. So we'll put a circular spot here which is hollow and go to the left because we get less than half. So that can be anything less than half. It can continue up to negative infinity, but it is less than half. So we start from half and move to the left. That's the number line or the solution set graphed on the number line.